What's up, you guys? Your boy Eddie Maximilian back again for another video. Today's video is going to be nice and short. We just had this 2025 BMW S1000Rr come in for a full CS racing exhaust. A lot of people aren't familiar with this brand. Most people just put Arrow or a Krapovich on here, but I am curious to see what this bike will run with a full CS racing exhaust. It's an interesting design. It comes out the right side of the bike, as you can see here, kind of like a slash cut. Okay, full stainless steel. There go the headers right there. The fitment isn't the greatest. It's not as refined as an Arrow or an Krapovich exhaust. It will fit, it just takes a little bit of finagling to get it to fit into the exhaust, the header ports. And on the opposite side, you can see there's like a muffler setup. Here go the welds for the bend. Not the best welds I've seen. I mean, it works. It sounds amazing. So we are gonna go ahead and give it about 3 pulls just to see what it runs and get the average out of there. I already warmed up the bike. So, I'll show you guys what we got in real time. Real results. We don't lie about our numbers here. We give true, accurate numbers in SAE correction factors. Okay, SAE, what that means is if it dynos SAE here a certain number, it should dyno the same SAE in Florida, in Texas, in Washington, California. It corrects for humidity, sea elevation, temperature, all that stuff automatically. When you see STD at the top right, that's when you know that the numbers might be a little bit optimistic. So what did we get? Let's get to the chart here. All right, we did 3 pulls at operating temperature 161.5, we'll call it our best run. All right, and let's look at our torque here. Here's our AFR. A bit lean, a bit on the lean side. Let's get the torque reading. The torque's a little funny. There's a weird little blip here at 12, looks like 12.5. There's like a loss of torque. That's weird. And then there's also a flat spot. Move this over. The flat spot. I did a hard pull starting from about 5,000. So ignore anything from there. Here there's a dip and then another dip. Okay. And that is, the torque is reflected in the horsepower here. The same exact spot. Exactly where the torque dips is where the horsepower dips at 12.5. Okay. So there you have it. Just for, you know, research purpose. I always like to see what these exhausts put out. So this is 161.5 for a stock 2025 S1000Rr. I'll see you guys in the next video.